Throughout November 2017, numerous events took place across UCF's campus to honor and remember our nation's veterans. As part of this initiative, a veteran speaker series hosted several talks that discussed an array of military and veterans topics. But that's not all. Other events took place across campus, including a flag display on Memory Mall. The display was organized by the Veterans Academic Resource Center, and many other groups from around campus helped install over 1,000 flags to honor UCF student veterans. As part of Veterans Month, we host a commemoration with invited guests from the university and community. This year, Don Reynolds, the sculptor of the commemorative site, spoke about the site's construction and what it meant to him as a sculptor and a Navy veteran. The success of Veterans Month is due to the collaboration from these groups. These events were just the beginning.